guys, so I just put some cookies in the oven and I thought while I'm waiting for them to bake, I'm gonna show you how I make my infamous matcha latte. Matcha is so good for you and it tastes really good, really helps me to focus throughout the day without the jitters, kind of like coffee. And honestly, I just wanted an excuse to film something here so you can see my beautiful flowers that my amazing fiance, Danny, sent to me. It was so sweet. I came home and they were here the other day and he sent me a card saying, "These flowers are just because I love you on an ordinary day." So cute. So my matcha latte, I make it sweet and really good, but it's also the healthy way. I don't like to add sugars, so today we're gonna be adding in xylitol, which is better than your regular processed sugar. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of almond milk. I think that matcha lattes taste better with regular milk or Fairlife milk if you don't consume dairy. But I found out that some of the chemicals in matcha, I don't remember what it's called, I'll have to put it right here. But some of the compounds in matcha that help your boost your metabolism and provide the anti-aging effects can be inhibited? Is that the right word? Anyway, it doesn't work as well in combination with regular milk, but if you use almond milk, oat milk, any other kind of milk, it does not have that effect. So then we're getting the full benefits of the matcha. So I start with just a little bit of almond milk so that I'm able to stir it a little bit better. Some people use the little hay looking spoon to stir their matcha, but that's too much effort. So I just use the regular coffee frother and that works just fine. So I'm using this type of matcha. I'll link it down below, but you have to use ceremonial grade matcha to get the full benefits. There's a lot of matchas out there that have fillers and all of that. So if it's ceremonial grade, it's better for you and it's usually a little bit pricier. So that's usually a sign that it is the real stuff. So this is Japanese ceremonial grade matcha, which by the way, I cannot wait until I can finally go to Japan and see my fiance play baseball and especially try all of the matcha there because Japan is known for its matcha. It's where it all comes from. So I just take this little spoon and take 2 spoonfuls of matcha. I honestly prefer the taste of matcha, so I would rather have more, but I don't take caffeine very well. I can get I don't know. I feel really bad if I have too much. So just about that is good. If you can tolerate more caffeine, I would put more if you like the flavor, but this is good for me. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I take a spoonful or 2 of xylitol. This is a really big bag you can get on Amazon. I know that xylitol is a little bit pricey, but I got a really good deal on this bag and it's pretty good. Xylitol is actually really good for your teeth. There's a lot of benefits to using xylitol instead of sugar. And then I am going to take the Dose & Co. Collagen. And I really like it because it's very I don't know if you can see it with the light, but it's very finely milled, so it blends really well. There's no fillers in this obviously because look at how it's super fine. So this is really good. I just put a spoonful of this in there for the benefits of collagen. And then I'm gonna take my little frother thing. And I got this on Amazon as well, so I'll also link that. I think it's I don't know, $12, $15, something like that. And then I stir it at the bottom while it's this so that it's more concentrated liquid so that it stirs better once I put ice in. So I just mix it up. And then it should be kind of this nice dark green color. If it's lighter, you probably want to add more matcha so that it tastes better. Unless you don't like the taste of matcha, but I personally love the taste of matcha. If you don't, if you're first starting with matcha, try matcha lemonade, it's amazing. Maybe I'll do that next. So I stirred that up and then I'm going to add some ice. Okay, so I got some ice cubes in there and then I'm just going to fill the rest with the almond milk. And that is it. That's how you make a collagen iced matcha latte. It's super refreshing and great, especially if you're trying to get rid of coffee. My cookies are done. Okay, I got my little healthy cookies. I just needed like a little something sweet today, and I got these cookies. They're called Eat Dough, I think. Yeah, they're called Dough, D-E-U-X, and they all have like some sort of superfood in it, so they're supposed to be healthier, and I really like them. You can eat them like the raw cookie dough too, but I'll link this also. So that is it. It is super easy and simple to make an iced collagen matcha latte. I am actually about to go to Target, so I'm going to dump it in my little Louis Vuitton cup because, you know, I like it, don't hate. It's probably the most Alison thing ever. So I'm gonna dump it in there. And I'm ready to have a good day. I went ahead and looked up some of the main benefits of matcha so that I have it like in front of me to tell you guys. But matcha it's one of the most potent sources of antioxidants in the world. It is like 10 times more than any berries or vitamin C or all of that. And so it's said to prevent cancer. It also increases your resting metabolic rate, which means you burn more calories throughout the day. So if you drink matcha early in the morning, you're burning more calories your entire day. And I also read that you burn more than 2 times the amount of calories you would regular burn while exercising if you drink matcha before exercising. So that is insane benefits. It's really great for concentration, so that's why it helps me, because I have ADHD and I do not take my medicine for it because I don't like it. So anything natural that helps me is amazing, because I work from home, so it can be really difficult to concentrate sometimes. So matcha gives me the best motivation without getting that like jittery anxiety that caffeine gets you. Although I love the taste of coffee, it doesn't make me feel good, and matcha makes me feel really good. It boosts endorphins. It makes me super happy throughout the day. It's like that feel good energy, and it's said to fight cancer, natural detoxifier. It combats inflammation, oxidation, and aging. That is the thing that milk, if you have regular milk, your body might not absorb the chemicals in it that prevent aging, not start aging. It has 60 times more antioxidants than spinach, so that's insane. So you can enjoy your matcha and feel good about it too. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I have like only 200 subscribers, so I'm gonna try to make more videos because I'm just really feeling the YouTube vibe right now. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later.